na because of emergency a quick one na me pese me ye on sanitation. I think say free enanom near share sanitation corner say
yes
a brave free and fee buy say SOMPA hene eka kroimu emu aye fini kroimu emu bon emra me ka say Ashanti region drew greater Kumasi a krono emu bon kroni mu nya kra de krona ye no eyade a ehadwen a yanhwe yi a bridge ye yade a bebo Ashanti region no ebe ye obi anwanwa ti danom na me ka say yampe bibia anya mfa ho a ye tete wo saa de de prido saa na manfo asha asese wu because a thing adore eye Ashanti region ni titi greater Kumasi the center of the region the Afruman Kasa Emma region no the business center a free amene free nanom na yakwa ho kan wasemwa ejosu kura wo hayi onum se wudura ejosu a baby a ye top ball egukromu ni bi ejosu omuni bi enti Ashanti region ni nyina sanitation. I think the regional minister epe okroyi ya also ni MMDCs ni tenase no ni stakeholders tenase we a national security a matters a border on national security kwame yanwani say anambing yenyina yenim say Africa over the largest waste compost site a K-Cup I want a so yes they just a hold on be sa compost plant na e ho de seed but mami e kwan bi so me mo meyo baso say ebra ye ka efin asem dokore greater Ashanti no odimirika ba be ka say enyama bi koso a ohun ya long middle term and long term and short term intervention mami mo zuba baso I want a quick response or the baba zuba it is not enough. Sa long term ya brofo ne yeka no kwase me wom ni say ya de K-Cup foka simplicity ya de K-Cup foka about 4 good years ayemo mu kapre kwa me said ya bubi ebra ye I think 2018 mu ho K-Cup cha say SOMPA be ye institute ye K-Cup as a subsidiary of Zoom Lion a Zoom Lion for na company bi anya dia ye K-Cup a subsidiary. Now the idea of K-Cup ne buy na why we should jumon peso mudi waste management ye metal ye plastic ye we ebia ye segregated no na ye mu anya de ebia ya de ebe boyen enti de abekọ fertilizer ko mekai short time the idea by people from Volta region and other places e busa kra sen fa no benya fertilizer biato because we a natural fertilizer or metal for no so condemn for no mu pebi. This is a big time business. Ghana na efin aye musu amayen baby efin eye nshiramo mu baby efin eye nshiramo mu so that segua ye hunu de emfanye yi odu eye offices are tables are ye carefree China ni de nya eye sodas no bebre na sodas no de omu compressing sa dom dia bre ni egusu gidi amaka ni ya pa ya ni ye ni na free office because sodas they are making good use of it and the sake kapi buy Kumasi compost and recycling what you say this is a project by yourself ba boy am a fia edokore yen e fia emene yen afri ho but 4 years ni yentwe omuka 4 good years yentwe omuka. I ask myself say entisika menim dabia omuga sanitation management the board we know but said you know that me can say so we say sanitation expensive at dry health natural ade so we ya dia hweka ene won kwanse sika kura betumato a and the money we need to say the be crest no ya de be share national health insurance mu say to me a good sanitation nipa bebre wa ya de nkromunya but I don't bedru jom na man 40 fi ho ubedru adum ubedru pizza na ko 40 fi ho na eton nyoma because ya pra wie no kura na de agu ba bi no enfa na etamako kwa be na ahwe sa ke kaptatama ye mu bi omu bi a ye ko ho ni nei okohwe sa ni nyoma sitia enya awro asefem but minim say your ministry or ye intentionally created for your sanitation budget akọ no ede ne ede ye kwa me say wo ba metropolitan na akasa mu a IGF ni sika ye located for sanitation no ede ne ede ye ya tena wa na kada ye kakraka na fi amene yen basenkai ye ana ye west ana ye due diligence ana sika kabia bai bia ye tua no annually ana quarterly kra akasa me saka na ye wunu 4 years enenye sika ketwa ne da ho ejada odoy keka fontimi nya owuntimi nya adwuma it's not operational na kwa me yesa baye hwe han ada size ho no senzo to a yenim sanya hawa ekwan ni nyam mo trouble yedu dry season a ye ba hwe han ye mpanyansa sa abontetea na ye wudi ye ba ye wo ebra ewia bo da su tobre so ya rely on our food ye buffer stock ya stock egu eti ye ba hwa na kwan na fe bo na kas na akotintim na so ba ya asem foforo Zuba, you are doing well, but it is not enough when it comes to sanitation. Dabia mebo abaso said the pace and speed are what the bear mono. Yeah, but Zuba, we are calling on you, say, when it comes to sanitation, dear Johnson. And a person that we know, Nipa ye usuni obaya ye nim say, you are an action man, you can take action and work and sanitation a bit my ye our region. A municipal metropolitan team betima ye adie a free na me ye free babia udu ashanti rejudu data Kumasi akro no pon fa dum pizza ko fa pampas wo no nyina Dr. Mensa kra de bo kro ni mo pon adai kro ni mo pon akra me pesa me bodin garden city kra kwa yes na utwa me nsuru mutwa ma wo na kane no kwa na ye koskwada yesese nso wo cap ma keje ti asata na enye fesei keje ti agp to force offices and this in there store container nya bobo those days kwa na kwa more time say area dey wey obvious say population cost eti near water and country planners they plan ahead area lo mugu oye Ede mugu oye ogoko bi say menka na kede yade me maami a otontos sori a ma chi na mai bi tika so na ka na sugar no mute so kofa duane ne ade free a big go fast Burkina unim the risk involved kentampo touch man kwa ka say easy tira ka mo risk your life ba na ma tete ni ajejo mu tax ni ade twa wo kana te condition na mo enjoy ni ase from town country planners and other offices are more stakeholders. Na mo yen hwe and you make say you don't want us to say it. Atabraka. Dia koso na enye. Ya my excuses are chadodo. Excuses ni ya jesam. Kroni mu bon. Ya kanu krancha ye ho. And not only Greater Kumasi, there are so many municipalities and districts are kroni mu bon. Now me catch me now no pen am catch us quite so kohwe anti yo su mama osu ni sadani yam poni mu bon adai ya pese de ya de kuyama na mpese mu de awura ba bia ni se awura kwa me nyama bi se ya so adai na so ba beto kura de me ma yedue ensuo ba betoy me mayebie efi ehye nkofo ho a mo susu mu a mo be yesa nyam betua mu nyina aka ama plan se ensuo betoy mo di nsuo mo di nwura begugu gates nyam betua mu nyina mo ka Wate se wudu se wunu wo fie na de aba beto sabi obi jane na akra no ade go black poly no awro ni sabon se ba as a gift na da otom dan be twam nyina mo ka mo ye mambofo. And these are people kwame na me kra come to think of it. Data bureau for national security, Ghana police, the cyber side. Cameras na bubo krom na adwuma. Because nanom yesi obi akwa penti baby na obi di bibia akwa so na yesi camera wo ho nyasa no muka kire ye up to now yente ho hwe Greater Kumasi udru a piece that nya duma cameras esisi ho no yenchi obi kura wa brodi enwura egu baby enye ebe serve as deterrent eya duma de masa momu fa kro de John biamo me ka greater akra maybe omu ba no mbe kire e bi ka enya accident na de asa cameras are Ghana and eya juma because they are found me for fashion say he says we enya interior decor materials ni bi adia na kwosoi. We should use people as scapegoat. This will be a deterrent to other people. And this is a wake up call to MMDCs, to the metropolitan, the mayor himself, and the regional minister, to large extent. And these are things not more phones to be me mano. No matter na wane zuwa yiri ana be abese nya momba nom the mosquito net me yi na abrew. No mo the student mattress abrew. Who shed our agencies na kwasona. We have to be our own security. I love it says Zumbaka say. Enipa bia obetu obi no, ya di nipa no kokota. Eye 50-50. Fire the man no jo share. Now so I share. Call baby.
Yes.
Because kwame yanka say ya nya watchman man hu a. The leadership is failing us.
That's true. Yes. Yani yanka say tim enforce ye fi.
That is it. That kwame emre ni baby asa o.
Yani e criticize fi no.
O ka say dumi cameras achi ni pe two. Na zuba action man action ni pana. Buka se be hwe han ebe gofo be yi bo no so nanom na me ka se omu na ba ku mienu wa se ayi no ai snail wa twen kosem o se ase kejete no afa mu ya ba ku wa mu akosem se ayi no snail zuba mu the zuba no wa mu akosem se snail
wa se nso nyino
zuba na anything ani mbra say obey enforce ba say akwana wa mo say you know ade bi a hyenenke no wa mo
Kwame, do you think say was here the tax force a good room?
Kwame tax force no go mo ye wute me the sanko fon kwa dem be metu mu ka omo mo sha white you ja omo nya guess no mo wi bia allegedly omo wi bia obi old man ya tu obi am obi nko ja sanko fon kwa dem po masemate.
Oh, but if for this
ja sa boys in the jai atopana se bia eku bebre
obeni me ba by this time say more orientation ankasa na kasa this is the more kwakoye se muhusu obi e the baller anaso obi ajafi anase nanim sa tankers na me say
opanyi na me say wana ka che so munim ya ma wa education
tankers no mu ye adwuma kura che ene ya yesi ye modern world no tete tankers no nka wo fie kura ba ya fi
education be nyam fa mo munim dada they know adwuma mo yesi wana ka che so munim omunim city gas for wana ka che so munim omunim adwuma o so mu ye na krono allegations e do muso say baby okra baby ani so park no mo jeje omko mo chichen money take department for no omo chichen MTTD omu yakeka na drobu so amano mo ya yin so ebi so hwibi ansa asema wo kuro omo hwibi ndin bi na afi omo favor bi that is allegation akoso kwa me omo dia me person obe ko masem kra omo kra de bi fo mto nchen what they are costing that time.
I see.
Yatena why 4 years go for the car. Now who crowd what juma kauntum. And say baby a different kwa kogunu. Ye nibi henyina Ghana henyina Ashanti region and you what the biggest a field treatment plant e wo honoma a thing say refuse ya gather ye recycle no Ghana henyina Africa henyina composite site the largest ewo Ashanti region
and if you so does no
ewo Ashanti region they say oni ni nyankran na ehwebom ewo Ashanti region esera so ya
otumi kopie ba bi kan
what na ya beboka abeye wesi wona se mfa so ma bia 4 years ano ma boka egu ananum abu gogofum te ho ai former mayor omo te ho TikTok ni ayi sem debate fun say e ka mo jagu onu ano ono so ba azuba so ba ono so ba ebo bi ka ho what no mo dia be MPP NDC sem Jesus Christ na yetememfo ne etiye before say mo na mudi kan boka NDC for ba mo na mudi kan boka na MPP aba amosoma bebo bi aka ho ana muntua concert
mate obeni mate mame na say concert because it looks as if say we aren't ready and willing say you be tackle some of the basic issues now e betumi aboa yen